so thankful to all of them. They're such a beautiful host. When I approached them for the Diwali match and a curtain of breath, they happily said yes and they're ready to host me. And at this pandemic, when people are really getting so panicked, and they are taking all the precautions here. Thank you so much, Sanjay Bhaiya, Vishal, and Pramod, and Vicky for having me and making this evening so beautiful. Without your support, it was not possible.
What would you like to say? आज dual celebration है, रोहित का collection भी curtain raiser आज unveil हो रहा है यहाँ पर, launch भी है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या USP है property की?
USP जैसे USP, it's our first sports bar, which has a food bar exchange which we have not seen in Bombay. Especially me, I'm going to lots of places. I've not come across a sports bar which is so unique. So we all are passionate about food and about entertainment and all. So about the sports bar is on the level 1, first floor. And about the club, it's a, you come and see, it's a, the name itself is a, you can say it's an illusionary thing. Once you step in, you find yourself into a different zone, which I am what many of us have not experienced so far. And we have a lot of specialty things. Once you come up, we will explain you everything in detail. I guess I have been across many clubs in Bombay, and I have not come across a club who's having this water stone, who's not having this water stone systems and all. Plus our bartenders, they are not bartenders, they are a showman. So we have actually like kept it so premium and so special and so authentic. You will enjoy. That's our motto. Like we want people to entertain themselves and enjoy to the fullest.
Pandemic है, you all are taking all precautions, and I think it's a double celebration for you.
Yeah.
एक नहीं, दो आपकी properties आज launch हो रही है. So what do you all have to together say about it? It's a teamwork. You all four partners have put it together.
Teamwork and everything is taken care by Vishal Sharma. He's a very dear friend. So teamwork में ऐसा है ना कि precautions is the first thing what we look for in food, hygiene and everything. So इसके पहले भी before this COVID thing also, everything was so well designed and well thought about, and this pandemic came, it was very sad. So the pandemic thing and all, the best thing what we have and what others are still not having, it is a UV sterilizer or something they call it. Like he's got it. So yeah, UV sterilizer I don't think anybody is having in a premises. Plus all the SOPs, government things have been taken care of, and rest of all our staff and everything are so well handled. Their time to time checkups have been done throughout this year when we were making up, and still we will be, be on it. Like
What about the food?
Food is, I think, Pramod Shinde should be explaining more.
जी food की क्या, बहुत सुना है हमने, बहुत अच्छा खाना है.
We are planning for fusion food where people can taste all kind of continental food. Indian is there, Italian is there, and we are introducing some that's of the Japanese food. And obviously in-house bakery is there. In one house you will get all things to taste, and people will enjoy it with your drinks, and I think I can just say
The sports.
Entertainment, the atmosphere, the bar. We have seen BSC having this exchange for the bar. We have also food. We have added food also on this. So the prices will be fluctuating for the food as well as for the drinks. Plus the entertainment shows which we are giving. It's like a say indoor sports thing. Very small, like carom boards and all small games. And lot more entertainment. We are getting some digital games also. So your food is getting ready. You get your children here. They are playing some games. So you have that pleasant atmosphere. You can watch this. Watch sports, play sports. Whatever we can do in this small space.
आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे सबको who are raring to come and party and chill and get entertained? बहुत सारे experiences हैं यहाँ पे, तो आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे audience को?
Message is, guys, be safe. We are taking all the measurements as per government norms. Government is totally supporting us. So just come. Your entire care is being taken by us. We have to go through this. And the other thing about your entertainment, nothing will be like, I cannot say in words also, like everything will be taken care to the top to the bottom.
So you suggest pandemic is going to go for a long time till the vaccine comes. So तब तक आप urge करते हैं कि लोग आएं और वो safe हैं यहाँ पे when they come?
Yeah, they are very safe here. We have taken all the measures.
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Excited, and we are looking forward to have a lot of fun on his birthday. And congratulations
Yes, for
for
the-
I think we
the
should congratulate to
Yes.
level
For
one. And,
also
for the
Illusion and
Illusion
Level
also.
One.
for everything.
Also for his new collection.
yeah. There's a curtain raiser of his
Yeah.
new collection called Vrit.
Vrit. Yeah, we are really looking forward to see the collection, and we are super excited. That's why we are so dressed here and. So,
Rohit, all the very best and happy Diwali to everybody.
Diwali.
Let's
happy
kill it tonight.
Diwali!
Thank you.
दे मेरे को
and we are still connected for so many years. Of course, I always wish Rohit all the very best for his birthday. I love him a lot. Even today I'm wearing him because I like to wear the best and he is the best. And of course it's the pre-Diwali party, so it's a two occasion of celebrating today, so it couldn't be a more beautiful night than this. We're celebrating with my friends, lighting the diyas even in my house, and I like to adapt to different culture. I like to celebrate Diwali. I like to celebrate Holi as well. So on this occasion, I would also like to wish everyone, especially this year, a happy Diwali. Let's light that 2020 finally and bring all the challenging times.
उनका जो ये कलेक्शन है ब्रिथ कलेक्शन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड इट्स वेरी thoughtful of him. Every time he comes up with a very new ideas and very different sort of on a very big platform. हम लोग को सिर्फ हमेशा फिट और हॉइटी टॉइटी और फिगर और जो परफेक्ट होते हैं, बट देयर इज अ लिटिल इम्परफेक्शननेस इन एवरीथिंग, इन एवरी आपको हर कुछ परफेक्ट ही मिलता है. तो आई थिंक ड्यूरिंग पेंडेमिक he's got some amazing ideas. During the pandemic भी उन्होंने बहुत सारे ऐसी designs निकाली and I really liked it. नहीं, this is Stylin करके एक brand है. I'm wearing their this thing and mostly I prefer to wear them, so I'm very comfortable and उन्होंने theme रखी है completely traditional, जो उनकी खासियत है. So I'm very happy. I think with this Vrit collection, the property, I think this Club Illusion, they're all launching this. So my best wishes are with them and just want to say that everyone they should just leave the worry and enjoy their life with all the safety and safeguard, like safety guards on their sanitizer, mask, सब कुछ रखो अपने पास और come and enjoy and have a look and I'm sure this place is going to be the best. I think अभी तो न्यू ईयर और सब सारी चीज़ें आई है, so good luck. सबको ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ दिवाली की. ये दीपावली और नया साल आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारी खुशियाँ लेकर आए. 2021 will be the prosperous and amazing magical for you. Take care.
Glad that someone decided to have a get together because
I never thought that this year would get so stressful. Actually, none of us predicted it. But I'm happy to be here. I'm happy for Rohit for his new collection. And of course, I want to wish him a very heartfelt happy birthday. And I think he was one of my favorite contestants on Big Boss after me. Thank you.
दिवाली का ऐसा कोई इलेबोरेट प्लान नहीं है, बट येस साफ सफाई चालू है और थोड़ी बहुत लाइटें लग चुकी हैं, एंड देन प्लेइंग कार्ड्स विद सम ऑफ माय फ्यू फ्रेंड्स और बहुत कम लोगों के साथ स्मॉल गेट टुगेदर. दैट इज द प्लान. थैंक यू.
Hi everybody, this is Kavaljit here. Wish Rohit a very happy birthday. Love you, bacha.
मेरा भी है.